Hi, so today I want to show you a wonderful flowing exercise called cloudy hands. This is a great one to really feel the energy moving through your body. So to begin, let's get a nice strong posture and lift your arms up in front of your body. Let your palms face your chest. So the arms aren't right against the body, so extend them a little bit. Let those elbows be heavy. This is called embrace the tree pose. And just have a moment just to be in this pose. We won't do it for a long time. This is a challenging one. But I just want to get a sense like you're embracing a tree, so you have a nice upright posture. But like a tree, it's alive. This energy is not rigid. Even though I'm not moving a lot, you're feeling this movement more internal. And just breathe with that. In and out through the nose, tongues on the upper palate, close the mouth. Start to take some deep breaths into your abdomen. Feel your abdomen moving, expanding as you inhale and relaxing as you exhale. And then slowly drop your right hand and let it come down to your waist. Keep the left hand up. And now let's twist your torso to the left. Feet stay firmly on the floor. And then switch the hands. Now the right hand is up by the chest and the left hand's down below. Now we're not going to turn right away. I'm going to invite you to first shift your weight to the right. Turn your hips to the right, and that will move the spine, which will move the shoulders, which will move the arms, and they can just float. So the arms are actually quite relaxed other than this transition here. So now the left arm's up. Shift your weight, turn your hips, which will move the spine, move the shoulders, and we float the arms like clouds floating through the sky. Transition the hands, shift the weight, turn the hips, slowly turn to your right. So we have this hand, one hand at the heart level, other hand at the waist level. Moving from one side to the other. Remembering to first shift the weight, turn the hips. So the arms aren't leading the movement at all, they're just following everything. So shift, turn the hips. And just get this sense of flowing from one side to the other. Upper body is quite relaxed. Hips are very engaged, spine's engaged. Get a sense of moving energy like clouds floating in a sky. So the upper hand's coming across the heart to protect the heart, but it's also like a cloud, and this is the shadow created by the cloud. Just do this a few more times, and this is, the more you can relax, the more energy is going to be able to flow through this movement. And breathe. Make sure you're not holding your breath. There's a few ways to do that. You can just breathe at your own pace, or if you want, you can inhale going one direction and exhale going the other direction. Good. A little smile on your face to support you. Let's do a few more. Good. Here we go. One more, going back to the right. And one more going back to the left. And then come back to the center, bring your hands down by the navel, and imagine holding a ball of light. Just see if you can feel that, and even just kind of play with it like you're packing a snowball here. It's a chi ball, we call it, and we just want to see if we can feel some energy there. Kind of push it together and pull it apart, and see if you can feel some resistance. It's okay if you don't. It will happen over time, but this is showing you that you have more energy moving in your body. We want to keep that energy, so let's bring that back to our navel. A few more breaths to let it settle. Always breathing with the nose. And then let's just do a few rotations to kind of symbolize locking that energy in, and a few more in the opposite direction. Good. Feel free to do this whenever you need a little chance to just calm the heart and feel more relaxed in your body and get more flow happening in your overall vitality. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.